Today we are at Universal Studios Singapore, ready to take on all the rides, the thrills and all the fun. From high-speed coasters to immersive worlds, we are diving into everything this park has to offer. This is my first Universal park. Let's see if it's worth it all. Stick around to find out. I hope you enjoy the video. Minute wait. For the ride, it was alright. It was actually for kids. It was cute, but it was alright. Thank you. Oh my god, look at that. And this is chocolate chip. Oh, that also looks nice. Well, our healthy sister is having banana. Next up, Steven Spielberg. Lights, camera, action. It's quite empty.
Hi everyone!
Hi!
I hope you guys are doing well. My name is Shafika and on behalf of Universal Studios, welcome to Lights Camera Action hosted by Steven Spielberg.
Action!
We did keep running from one place to another because we wanted to see everything in the park. As we also knew that it is Halloween Horror Night and at 5 o'clock it's going to shut down, as they wanted to start with Halloween Horror Night at 7:30. And we had a flight next day, so we wanted to cover almost everything that we could.
The same goes for you. Go and spread your rancid breath elsewhere. This important. Why does it get another photo? Get rid of this child before I use it as target practice. Be gone. Get these done quickly. I am itching to leave.
We're just like walking around and round and round and round. My sister and my brother have gone on this ride. I can't do it, so I'm just sitting here waiting for them. Took some B-roll for you guys so that you can see and enjoy. This is for the thrill seekers, I think. It's also it's that floating roller coaster. So your legs are in the air, which is even more scary for me. I don't think I can do this. I hate drops. And you can see one going there, right there. I don't know which side they go. Oh my god.
closed my eyes.
And Nalin, you? Yeah.
Accidentally opened my eyes. I kept shouting, "Mummy, Papa!" My husband said, "Mother."
Brother and sister are going into this one. This again needs a locker and it has dropped, so I have decided not to go on this. I've asked my brother and sister to give us a review so that we can decide if we want to go. But then there's locker, so I anyway can't shoot this for you guys. See the Minion Land getting ready there, right there. I don't know if you can see this. It's not letting me zoom in, but you see Despicable Me Minion Land. This footage was from October 2024. Minion Land actually opened up in February 14th, 2025. So you can visit it now if you're planning your trip, and you're gonna have a blast, because from the pictures that I saw on social media, which you're seeing right now, it looks amazing. I think in the night it looks really good because of the lights and everything. I think it'll look perfect.
It was amazing. I think it was a mixture of Indiana Jones and Journey to the Earth from
Tokyo Disney.
Tokyo Disneyland. And
Tokyo Disney Sea, I think.
Tokyo Disney.
Sea.
Indiana Jones was not Tokyo Disney.
It was in Disney Sea.
Okay, so then Indiana Disney. And the start, it is just a normal start. But in the middle of it, I mean, just after the start, after 1 minute or so, they take us backwards, and then they turn a right, and then they take us up, and then there's a lot of jumps and all that. So it was, and we can't see anything because it's all black, so we don't know where we are going. So
It was a dark roller coaster, na?
it was super amazing. I can do it again.
Now we are going to Jurassic Park. An adventure. 65 million years in the making. The park closes by 5 because of Halloween Horror Nights, which starts at 7:30, which we are not doing, unfortunately. We are having a snacks. Our snacks are cranberry and banana on the go because we got late coming to the park, and now we're doing this, and we thought we'll eat afterwards when we are done with all the rides. Anna Didi?
Healthy snacks,
Healthy snacks.
which will give you energy.
We were not allowed to shoot the ride because it goes up, and I have fear of heights and things can fall down basically, so we were not allowed to shoot. But it was a fun ride, quite short but fun. Didi, was it similar to the thrilling ride that you had, no? Nothing similar, but it is still like you're hanging. It's quite scary. Now we're going for a show. This is something that I really wanted to watch.
Wonderful. पानी नहीं आया हमारे को।
मेरे पे तो आया, I'm completely wet. There were like 3 kids sitting in front of us who were also not wet, and he was so upset. I don't know if they call them cast members here as well, but then the cast member comes and asks him, "What happened? Why are you sad?" He was like, "We are not wet." He took the gun out and he just splashed them with water. So sweet.
Water was kind of dirty because there were all poly inside the water, and then
It had chlorine. It went in my mouth.
the same water was even like the fire was also burning. So
Yeah.
I don't know whatever, but the water was not basically clean.
But the the show was really, really good. We enjoyed ourselves.
I did not expect it. It was very entertaining. It was keeping us
On our toes.
like gripping.
Yeah.
Now what's going to happen? Now what's going to happen? It was nice. What?
Worth it. You must come and watch it. I think it's around 12:30, 1:30 and 3:30 every day. Gauri Didi buying merch for her nephew. Where we are, look at my shoes. It's like chup, chup, chup. Even my brother's shoes.
It was nice. It was a little boring in the start. It was okay in the middle, but in the end, it was
Amazing.
amazing. that drop.
I feel like they could have done a lot more when we were like sitting idle in the between. They also have drying pods here for us. Like, it costs money, $5 per use. Now to the Shrek world, far, far away. The Puss in Boots journey. First we're gonna do that, and then we'll explore the place. Sadly, it's closing at 5 o'clock, which is, I don't like rushing. Cute. It was my kind of roller coaster. But I liked it. It was so cute. Now we're going to go watch Shrek in 4D. We're going into the castle. So cute.
Guests.
Hi.
Hi there, folks. Welcome to Lord Farquaad's castle. Run for your lives! Oh, rather lackluster bunch.
Star Wars.
Oh, so sorry. I've been feeling
It's going into
stressed
Star
out
Wars.
lately.
We're really scared.
Once upon a time, there lived a frightful ogre named Shrek. He lived alone in his swamp, far from those who would judge him by appearance, rather than what lay within.
And that's about it. That's how we spent our day at Universal Studios Singapore. If you ask me if I'm going to come back, yes, I'm going to come back. I do want to go and check out the Minion Land. This one got me excited for Universal Parks, so I'm hoping to visit other Universal Parks around the world and showcase those for you. Thank you for joining in. If you watched till the end, I would love for you to comment your favorite moment from the vlog and like, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in next adventure.